Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. I'm doing a collaboration with Alexandra and Dolls. Be sure to follow the link below and go see what Alexandra has to show you today. She's in Croatia, and she makes such cute outfits for her dolls. She also does doll photography on Instagram. She crochets, she sews, she even makes outfits with hot glue guns. She also makes wigs, all kinds of stuff. You'll enjoy her channel. I ran out of time before I ran out of ideas for our space collab. I had so many ideas and it kind of kept me from getting started, but I decided to go with space print outfits rather than alien. And so I brought down my space print fabric, which I seem to have a lot of, and did a little sewing. This one I showed when I got the Elsa doll and got her cleaned up. I showed the making of that dress. Look at the 3D, look how articulated this doll is. Even her hand moves. Ooh, hold your gun, sweetie. Look at her 3D printed ray gun. Isn't that the cutest? Darren did that on the 3D printer. I just love, love, love it. That and her little jellies that match her outfit. It's just hilarious. I also, if you remember, if you watched my video on, let me get her standing. It's funny, I had her standing just right, and then I added the ray gun, and just that little bit of weight took her off balance. My 28-inch Barbie, I started to do a different outfit, and then I found these leggings that I had bought. That unicorn is not upside down. That's the way it ran on these pants. Everything was every which way. This is one leg of a human size pair of leggings that I bought for $1 on clearance. I cut that off, I cut it up the middle, and I made her some pants out of that. The top was an 18-inch doll pattern, and after I got it made, I turned it, it was still inside out. I put it on the doll, I laid her down, and then I took pins on either side and shaped it, and then I put the seams in where the pins are to give her a more form-fitting outfit. I Velcroed this all the way up the back so that it would be more form-fitting. It just goes all the way up the back. But I like it. I think it turned out really cute. It isn't what I first intended, but I like it. And look, she's got a little ray gun. How cute is that? I am loving that 3D printed stuff. A few days ago in a video, I made my 17-inch Dreamtopia Barbie this top using an 11.5-inch doll pattern, which is made too big. And I tried it on my Jean doll, and now I know how to adjust it for her. So I'm very happy about that. But I took that same pattern, and I added a little length, and I added a little bit in the back. I did not put the darts in front. I just went with the side darts. And again, I did the Velcro all the way up the back so that it would be form-fitting. Can you see that? I can rip it open. So it would be more form-fitting. And I like it. And now I'm going to adjust the actual pattern because it worked out. Her ray gun, hold it right. Now she's falling. We need a stand for her. We just haven't got that far. Her ray gun and Moon, my Blythe doll, those are Christmas tree ornaments I found at Hobby Lobby on clearance. And on clearance, I also found this adorable, this has been, oh gosh, over a year ago. 75 cents for this little school, you know, this was in the kids stuff. And I was gonna make it a backpack, just add a couple straps for one of my dolls, probably my 28-inch. It could be for either one, actually. It could work for Blythe. It's a little big, but it's cute. I didn't get that far. Like I said, I ran out of time before I ran out of ideas. And then this is a new doll. I'm going to give her a face up. This is my mini moon. I love my moon doll, and I love the stand that Darren made, moon surface. So I asked him if he could make a mini moon surface. And I made her a little pair of tights out of a sock and gave her, you can't see it too much, it's got some planets and stars on her little outfit. But she's going to get a makeover, and we're going to add 2 strings, and her name is Mini Moon. I'm going to take an 18-inch doll dress and make it to fit my 28-inch skinny Barbie. Newborn clothes, in fact, preemie clothes fit, or newborn clothes, 0 to 3 months fit my 36-inch Barbie, and 0 or preemie clothes fit the 32-inch dolls. This is a lot thinner, so I'm going to take this 18-inch doll pattern, and because I've held it up to her, I'm going to swoop the neck a little more, take about just less than a 1/2 inch from here, and I'm going to build this up just a little bit, and then I'm going to add length. Okay, you can see how I tailored this to fit the Barbie. We're going to hold it up to her. I might have gone, nope, I have seam allowance here, I have closure allowance here, and the neck fits better, as well as the armpits. And I did the same thing. This is the back. I'm going to show you the 2 side by side. And then I'll add a little length to the bottom of this pattern. And I made a note on the front, add length, because my paper doesn't really go as long as I'd like it. I like a short dress, but I'm thinking about taking it down about 1.5 inches, 2 inches. Okay, so I went to get my space fabrics. I have several. I like this, I think it's cute. It's childish and I like it. And I found I had bought these leggings for $1 for the fabric. So I cut one leg out and I made her a pair of leggings. The unicorn, however, came out upside down. It's, they're on here all different directions, upside down and backwards, and so I'm okay with it. So now I think I'm going to make her a top to go with these, and I'm probably going to use this, but we'll see. So what I'm going to do now is I measured my pattern as a top, and I marked it off where I want to cut it. I like the moon surface in white. We did try it in gray, and I don't really need this stand, so this is a hidden, the dog's got me. You can hear our puppy playing. She wants us to play fetch, so she's squeaking that at our feet. We're giving this little gray moon surface stand away. It is perfect for the mini Blythes, the little pet store Blythes, or the little LOL dolls, or any of those tiny dolls. It'll come with a stand. Leave in the comments if you'd like to be entered for this hidden giveaway. Thank you, Alexandra, for this fun collab. I really appreciate it. Drop by Alexandra and Doll's channel and see what she has today for this collab. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.